Let's solve this equation together. It says square root of x plus 2 all squared is equal to 4. Okay, so how do we solve this? Now the first thing to do is to open up this bracket. Square root of x squared become x. Square root of x times 2 is plus 2x times 4 is plus 4 root x rather. Plus 2 squared is plus 4. And this is equal to 4. Now this boils down to x plus 4 root x to be equal to 0. Now watch. If we cross this over to this side, we have x is equal to negative 4 root x. Squaring both sides again, we have x squared to be equal to negative 4 squared is plus 16. Root of x squared is x. Okay. Now, from here, we are going to cross over 16x this side. So we have x squared minus 16x is equal to 0. Okay. Now from here, we can decide to factor out x. So we factor out x from here. We have x into x minus 16 is equal to 0. When the product of two things are equal to 0, it means that either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. Okay, so it's either that x is equal to 0 or x minus 16 is equal to 0, and then this implies that x is equal to 16. So it's either that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 16. Cheers.